Welcome back to Dream Autos, your go-to channel for the latest and most exciting vehicles from around the world. Today, we're diving into the future of van life with the all-new 2026 Toyota camper van, a bold and innovative vehicle that's redefining the way we explore the open road. Toyota has taken a huge leap forward with this model, blending cutting-edge design, eco-conscious technology, and next-level comfort. At first glance, the 2026 camper van looks sleek and modern, with a more aerodynamic profile compared to its predecessors. The bold LED light bar across the front grille, stylish alloy wheels, and minimalist body lines make it clear that this isn't just a work van turned camper. This is a purpose-built adventure machine. Under the hood, Toyota offers two powertrain options, a highly efficient hybrid system and a fully electric version. The hybrid delivers an impressive range of over 600 miles, while the EV model clocks in around 350 miles on a single charge, thanks to Toyota's new solid-state battery technology. Whether you're heading into the mountains or cruising the coast, this van gives you the freedom to roam without range anxiety. Now let's talk about the interior. And this is where the 2026 Toyota camper van truly shines. Step inside, and you're greeted with a smart, modular layout that maximizes space and functionality. The living area features a fold-out bed, retractable table, and swivel captain's chairs that turn the cabin into a cozy lounge. Ambient lighting, wood-textured panels, and soft-touch materials give it a premium, homey feel. The kitchen is compact but incredibly well-designed. You get an induction cooktop, a sink with filtered water, a 12V fridge, and enough counter space to prepare meals on the go. There's also a clever pop-up roof that expands the interior headroom, allowing you to stand fully upright, perfect for taller adventurers. Tech-wise, the van is fully connected. A 12-inch touchscreen serves as your command center, controlling everything from navigation and climate to solar panel input and battery status. The camper comes with built-in Wi-Fi, USB-C ports, and even wireless charging pads for your devices. There's also an app that lets you pre-cool or heat the van, monitor energy levels, and even locate nearby campsites. For those who love going off-grid, the 2026 Toyota camper van is available with a full solar package, extra water storage, and all-terrain tires. There's even a rugged all-wheel drive variant that's ready to tackle dirt roads, snowy trails, and everything in between. Toyota has clearly listened to the growing van life community. Every inch of this camper van is designed with intention, combining the brand's legendary reliability with modern-day adventure needs. Whether you're a weekend warrior or planning a cross-country expedition, the 2026 Toyota camper van is built to be your home on wheels. Thanks for watching Dream Autos. If you're as excited about this camper van as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more automotive insights and adventures. See you in the next video.